For those who enjoy spending time outdoors, a camping chair is an essential item that can greatly enhance the experience. Available in a range of designs and materials, from collapsible lightweight models to robust chairs with built-in storage and cup holders, there's something to suit every preference. For added comfort, some chairs have adjustable recline settings, allowing you to relax in your ideal position. With such a vast selection available, finding the perfect camping chair for your next adventure is easy. We've listed the top 5 best camping chairs and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Coleman Portable Quad Camping Chair with Cooler. The Coleman Portable Camping Chair is an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts seeking comfort and convenience. Its fully cushioned seat and back provide excellent support and relaxation, making it perfect for camping, picnics, and other outdoor events. The built-in fork and cooler pouch is an excellent feature that keeps your drinks cool and within easy reach, while the mesh cup holder and side pocket are handy for keeping personal items close. The chair's collapsible and folding design makes it easy to store and transport, allowing you to take it with you on all your outdoor adventures. With an 18.1-inch sitting height, it's easy to get in and out of the chair, making it ideal for all ages. While this product has received rave reviews and is a top seller on various e-commerce platforms, it's worth noting that the padding on the seat and backrest could be thicker. However, this minor flaw doesn't detract from the overall comfort and convenience that this camping chair provides. Overall, the Coleman Portable Camping Chair is an excellent investment for anyone seeking a comfortable, portable, and durable camping chair with great features. Get yours today and enjoy the comfort and relaxation it offers on your next outdoor adventure. Number 2. Kidro Dual Lock Portable Camping and Sports Chair. The Kidro Dual Lock Camping Chair is a must-have for anyone who loves spending time in the great outdoors. This heavy-duty folding chair has a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, making it perfect for adults. The chair's unique dual lock feature provides extra stability and security, ensuring that you can sit and relax with ease. The wide leg base also adds to the chair's stability, making it perfect for any terrain. One of the chair's most notable features is its comfortable seating. The no-sag seating, durable diamond ripstop polyester, and breathable mesh on the seat back provide ultimate comfort and support. The chair also comes equipped with 2 cup holders, an organizer with zip and mesh pockets, a carry strap, and a carry bag, making it easy to transport and perfect for outdoor activities like tailgating, camping, or watching your favorite sports teams. While the Kidro Dual Lock Camping Chair is not as compact as some other camping chairs when unfolded, its many features and benefits more than make up for its slightly larger size. Its high rating of 4.8 in e-commerce marketplaces speaks to the chair's quality and performance. Overall, we highly recommend the Kidro Dual Lock Camping Chair for anyone who wants to enjoy the outdoors with ease and comfort. Number 3. Amazon Basics Portable Camping Chair. The Amazon Basics Camping Chair is a versatile and practical addition to any camping or outdoor adventure. Its durable and sturdy steel frame can withstand weights of up to 225 pounds, making it suitable for a variety of body types. The chair's nylon mesh fabric panels provide excellent ventilation, making it an excellent option for warm weather. Its built-in beverage cooler pouch is a unique and convenient feature that can hold up to 4 12-ounce cans, while the cup holder provides a handy spot for an open drink. The Amazon Basics Camping Chair is also easy to set up and fold down, which makes it a great option for those who want to save time and energy during their outdoor trip. The included carrying bag makes it easy to transport and store, making it a great choice for camping trips or picnics. The side storage pocket is also an excellent feature, providing easy access to essentials such as sunscreen or binoculars. Overall, the Amazon Basics Camping Chair is an excellent value for its price and functionality. Its sturdy frame, comfortable design, and convenient features make it an ideal option for anyone looking for a reliable and comfortable outdoor chair. Number 4. Trademark Innovations Folding Outdoor Beach Camp Chair. Looking for an outdoor chair that won't break the bank? Look no further than the Trademark Innovations Folding Outdoor Beach Camp Chair. Made from strong steel tubing and durable 600G polyester fabric with PVC coating, this chair can withstand the elements and is built to last. It comes equipped with a convenient cup holder and folds up easily for hassle-free transport and storage. At an affordable price point, this chair provides excellent value for the cost-conscious shopper. However, it's worth noting that the chair's small size may not be ideal for taller individuals, with customers reporting that those over 5'8" may find the chair uncomfortable. Overall, the Trademark Innovations Folding Outdoor Beach Camp Chair is a reliable choice for outdoor activities, such as camping or beach trips, providing sturdy and portable seating. While it may not be the most comfortable option out there, its affordability and durability make it a smart choice for budget-conscious shoppers. Number 5. Untitled Heavy Duty Camping Director's Chair. If you're looking for a comfortable and reliable camping chair that can handle heavy weight, the Untitled Heavy Duty Camping Chair is a great option. With a sturdy steel frame, this chair can support up to 300 lbs, making it perfect for larger individuals or those who need extra support. In addition to its strength, this chair comes with several features that enhance your outdoor experience. The anti-pinching design ensures safe and easy setup, while the flip-up side table and integrated holders for your phone and beverages make it convenient to enjoy your surroundings without having to hold on to your belongings. The double front multi-pocket also provides ample storage space for your essentials. However, it's important to note that this chair is heavy, which may be a drawback for some people. But if you prioritize durability and comfort over weight, then the Untitled heavy-duty camping chair is an excellent choice for any outdoor adventure. It's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you need more information or want to find out the price of the product, see my description. If there are any problems, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.